I'm meteorologist Chicago Windler, and this is your Wednesday night edition of Chicks Chats. It's been pretty frustrating, even though the computer models keep spitting out rain chances. Unfortunately, we only had a trace in Austin, while half an inch fell down to our south in San Antonio. So will our fortunes change? Take a look. Here's your Chicks Chat.
So that we had a little bit of drizzle. FutureTrack is still trying to develop some scattered showers as we head through midnight on into the morning hours. Let's hope so. We definitely could use the rain. Our lake levels dropped from 38% combined storage for Buchanan and Travis down to 37% as of today. 6 a.m. still could see a couple of spotty showers. Notice temperatures mild, upper 50s, low 60s. By 9 a.m. still a couple of showers. See that clearing line off toward the north and west in the hill country? By midday we could already see upper 70s out in Llano and Mason. Around 70 degrees in Austin with the last of the shower chances moving out. Then once we head past 2 o'clock and in toward the late afternoon hours, temperatures soar. 86 Llano, close to 80 degrees in Austin. I'm officially forecasting a high of 81 degrees. All right, so how much rain? Here's the bad news. It does not look very impressive, and FutureTrack has actually been overestimating how much rain we could get to begin with. So the next 24 hours, maybe 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of rain if we are lucky. Here's your Thursday planner. We're going to start gray, dreary, patchy fog, drizzle, maybe a spot shower, 61 degrees. Noon, we're at 71 degrees as the showers move out. 5 o'clock, look at that, 81 degrees, lots and lots of sunshine. Will the warmth last? Oh, yes, it will. In fact, in your 7-day forecast, Friday, 89 degrees. It won't be a record. The record is 98, but it will be the warmest we've seen since back on November 17th when we hit 90. Then a cold front comes through behind that front, not exactly cold, nice. Around 80 degrees both Saturday and Sunday, tons of sunshine, low humidity, and it looks like the warmth will last into next week when we get to track a couple more shower chances, especially leading toward Wednesday.
Though, even if we do pick up a little bit of rain, we are running 4.5 inches below normal on rain since January 1st. We've only seen about 1/3 of what we should have seen, and the drought wears on. All right, that's your latest Chicks Chat. Have a good night.